Hey guys, just going to make a quick video over this little Cabela's here. It's a 20 inch. From the look of it, it's got the same design down here as some of the Camp Chefs, so I think Camp Chef is the one that made these for them. This is not the one with the huge logo and the handle. This one has just the nice little Cabela's there. I've got a buddy of mine that's got a hat for this one, so this skillet will end up going to South Texas, and I know he'll make it look really pretty. It's in really good shape. The only rust spot on it's right there. The rest of it, I mean, it's looks like it was used really good. It doesn't have any chips, any cracks. Should be a really quick restoration, and it's not real heavy. It's nowhere close to as heavy as that 26 inch, but pretty nice skillet. Just wanted to show everybody. So hope everybody has a great one.